This video is sponsored by Devine Design. 99 rupees for graphic design. 999 rupees for the website. For more details, call to this number or contact via email. Hey there! I am Mohammed Mafaz PR from Tech Crimson. Today I am gonna show you the top 10 Python courses for free. Before starting, punch the like button below and subscribe to Tech Crimson YouTube channel. First course is offered by Google. Google IT Automation with Python Professional Certificate. In this course, they have covered a lot of cool stuff with Professional Certificate. This course is available in Coursera. We'll teach you about automate tasks by Python scripts, use Git and GitHub for version control, manage IT resources at scale, both for physical machines and virtual machines in the cloud, analyze real-world IT problems and implement the appropriate strategies to solve those problems, and more. Are you love this course? Are you thinking about how to enroll in this course, right? Click the link in the description below and click Financial Aid Available. Coursera asks some questions, answers for all questions link in description. Don't forget to check it out. The second course is offered and created by Mosh Hamdani. Who is Mosh? Mosh Hamdani is a passionate and pragmatic software engineer with 20 years of professional experience, and he will teach over 10 million people how to code or how to become professional software engineers through his YouTube channel and online courses. He has a Bachelor of Science in Software Engineering and a Master of Science in Network Systems. Python tutorial Python for beginners. In this course you'll learn about the basics of Python, object-oriented programming, automation with Python, machine learning, and a popular framework called Django. This is available on YouTube for free. Link in the description below. The third course is offered by SoloLearn. SoloLearn is one of the best places to learn to code for free. SoloLearn has a large community for helping you encode. They have an online compiler for practicing. They offer many Python courses such as Python for Beginners, Python Intermediate, Python for Machine Learning, Python for Data Science, and more. Link for all courses in description. The fourth course is offered by Edureka. Edureka is an online training provider with the most effective learning system in the world. On Edureka's websites, you'll find advanced Python courses, but they're paid. Otherwise, on Edureka's YouTube channel, you'll find programming-related courses and videos. In this huge course, you'll learn fundamentals of Python, object-oriented programming, NumPy, Pandas, Django, web scraping, and more. Link for that course in description, you can check it out. The fifth course is offered by Clever Programmer. He's one of the best Python programmers and his name is Rafi Kazi. After completing this tutorial you'll build tic-tac-toe game, SMS app, to-do list app, Craigslist clone, and more. This is available on YouTube for free. Link in the description below. Thank you for watching.